Now, welcome my what my beautiful fans in this world in this platform. So now we have another question that we are asked that a body is rotating in a horizontal cycle of radius 2.5 centimeter with an angular speed of 5 rad per watt per sec. You have to calculate the magnitude of the what radial what acceleration of the body, right? So we have solution here. Now this kind of question is not actually very hard, okay? Just take note that this under what is circular what motion. Now let's just stop it without wasting much of our time. So we ask a radius, or we are giving radius as radius of 2.5 meter with an angular speed of 5 rad per second. Now what is the angular speed? In terms of units, right? That's what they call omega, okay? Something like this. Look at this here. Call it omega, which is equals to what? 5 rad per second. You know this formula, this rad, this omega that has what this unit. Okay, so in case you don't put it down, okay, you have to calculate the magnitude of the what radial what acceleration of the body. Now, what formula are you going to use? It's actually very easy. Just radial what you need to calculate radial acceleration of what of the body. Acceleration is just just write it down. A equals to omega square what r. Okay, the formula for, or you can also be something like, or you can be omega square what x, or it can also be omega square what a. All these things that they are seeing now, they actually mean the same thing. Okay, they're talking about the distance. Okay, they're talking about the distance of what of the particles, of the length of the particles. Okay, so this one is radius, displacement, and we have amplitude. They does the same work. Okay, that is distance. Talk about distance, how lengthy it is. You get. So now we have to calculate what for the radial acceleration. So apply the formula that we have here. Since we are giving radius, now I'm going to have radius equal. I'm going to have a equals to. But this is what they call radial was acceleration. We call it what acceleration. Okay. So we call this angular acceleration rather. We call it angular acceleration. So depending on how the question is coming. So we have the omega is what now is given as 5. So we have 5 square. Then times the radius is what is 2.5. So let's see. So I'll give us 25 times 2.5. So let's see what we're going to have there. So multiply that should give us 6 point something. Let's see. So we have 25 times 2.5. So we have 62.5. So we have the acceleration as 62.5 watts meter per second squared. So that is what the final answer for this question. So I hope you find this very interesting, right? So don't forget to like my page, follow, and comment. Thank you.